So we were sent this to try out and we're super excited. This is the Paw Sono Pet Glove Wipes for dogs and cats. In each one of these, there's 12 pieces for the gloves, and then it's in coconut scent. What's nice is it is plant-based, so it's lick-based, and you don't have to rinse your dogs. So I have a Frenchie that always needs her little creases wiped off, and also I have 4 dogs. It's nice to use this in between their baths, and then of course, like any dog, sometimes I have to wipe their bottom. So this is going to come in handy. So I wanted to show you right off the bat, this is what it looks like. So if you have big hands, I am pretty sure this is going to fit. It's not dripping, but it is wet. It has a clean scent to it, but it's not overpowering. It's pretty durable. Like, it's not like a toilet paper or a paper towel where it's just going to rip. So that is the first thing I noticed. Now let's check it out on Kira. This is Miss Kira. She's about ready to go to bed. So we're just going to go ahead and just pet her. She's probably wondering what it is. She's just trying to sniff it. But right away I can like rub her ears and she'll let me, and it helps to clean her ears, which is nice. We'll get the other ears if she'll let me. I can wipe her face. I think she likes it. So right now I'm just trying to get her to lay down, and she is loving it. She's letting me rub her down. But yeah, so she lets me clean her, and she is actually really loving this. She's just loving the belly rubs, and to me it's nice because she plays outside and I can just rub her little paws and she'll let me just clean her off, and she's actually enjoying this a lot, guys. She just feels like she's getting a rub down of her life right now. All right, I don't know who enjoyed that more, me or her, probably Kira, but I really like the fact that I can just clean her ear with this and her little wrinkles. It was hard to demonstrate it because I was holding my camera, but she liked getting rubbed down with this. She didn't mind it at all. Obviously, it was soft enough for her fur and her skin. She let me rub her belly and her chest and her paws with it, and now she is a lot cleaner. My dogs love to play outside, and they also need their ears cleaned and their face cleaned a lot, so this is going to come in handy. If you've never tried a pet glove wipe before and you're looking to upgrade your pet wipes, you should definitely check this one out.